So going into engineering after high school is a lot less pressuring than a lot of other areas you could go into because they don't put you in a box. You don't have to decide right away what type of engineering you want to go to, because a lot of the skills that you learn can be applied to a whole range of different degrees in engineering. So a lot of the skills you learn for, chemical, environmental, aerospace, mechanical, no matter which one you want to go into, there's skills and tools that you learn that you can apply to any of these. Just being really interested in math and science, just throughout middle school and high school. And I think just being able to solve problems and never doing the same thing every day was really intriguing for me. So that's why I chose engineering as opposed to other careers. I'm Casey Carlson. I graduated in May of 2020 with a degree in engineering. A normal day as an engineer, like I mentioned, is always changing. It's a lot of talking to your other team members and collaborating, a lot of coding, depending on what kind of engineering you're doing, a lot of running tests and analyzing data, and just problem solving generally. It usually starts with the market having some need for a product. And so, for example, let's say some company needs to get their team to some shallow water to extract some kind of data. A normal boat with a normal motor can't get in there. So you would need to come up with some sort of shallow water boat and motor that can actually get you there. So then the next step would be for the engineers coming up with this new boat to come up with exactly what's needed, how to make it most efficiently, and to demonstrate that it works so that you can actually market it to companies who would want to buy it. Even after you've gotten your degree, you still have a lot of range of what you can do with it. So really just if you go into one of these areas, that doesn't mean you have to stay within that one area, because you have all these skills that can be applied to a whole bunch of different industries. Getting a job is really important that you focus on your grades for one, but outside of that, I think one of the most important things is finding clubs at your school that are related to what you're studying and interested in, both to get experience in that field, but also just to figure out if you really like doing that thing.